Welcome to Aurora Chemistry for everyone. Let us analyze how to write Lewis structure of HNO3 nitric acid. To write Lewis structure very easily, let us see one mnemonic. A skeletal structure in the biology lab center. Count single, double, triple, octet, duplet, except expanded, deficient, odd guys in the classroom. Look at the first step, skeletal structure. When you draw the skeletal structure in the second step, you can see the center should be less electronegative atom. In HNO3, hydrogen is very less electronegative element. But hydrogen as a center we are not entertaining because it has only one valence electron. So among nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen electronegativity is very less. So we are going to write nitrogen in the center. Then oxygen just around it. Then where we can write hydrogen? Here no, because HNO3 is an acid. So this hydrogen should attach with highly electronegative element, that means oxygen here. So let us attach that hydrogen here. So this is skeletal structure. Now we can go to the third step, count valence electrons. So we go to count valence electrons, total valence electrons. So hydrogen, only one hydrogen atom, so 1. Nitrogen, 1 nitrogen atom, 5 valence electron. Oxygen, see, 3 oxygen atoms are here, 6 valence electron. So if you solve, if you add all together, we will get 24 valence electrons. So total 24 valence electrons are present in this compound. Now come to the next step, single bond between all the atoms. So we go to draw single bond between all the atoms. Single bond means how many electrons are involved? 2 electrons. Then after that, see the next step, double or triple bond. So now whether this compound will get a double or triple bond around central atom. For that we should write that electron dot structure of the central atom nitrogen. You know that nitrogen valence electron 5, isn't it? So for that let us draw electron dot structure. So nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means one lone pair electron is present on nitrogen and 3 unpaired electrons are present. These 3 unpaired electrons will involve in covalent bonding. So 3 covalent bonds and this lone pair will stay on nitrogen, or sometimes it will involve in coordinate bond, dative bond. So one dative bond is possible. So total how many bonds are possible by nitrogen? 4. But here you see how many bonds are over? 1, 2, 3. So one more bond we can draw. So let us draw that one bond here. See, when you draw that double bond, you can draw on this oxygen or in this oxygen. This oxygen is attached to hydrogen. So we should not draw that the double bond to this oxygen. So remember that point. Now octet for highly electronegative atom. So before saying that octet for highly electronegative atom, nitrogen octet configuration is completed because 2, 4, 6, 8. So now we are going to give that octet for highly electronegative atom, here oxygen. So 2, 4, then 6, 8. So for this oxygen octet configuration, that means 8 electrons is over. Now come to this oxygen. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So octet configuration for this oxygen also over. Now come here. So double bond. So 4 electrons. So 6, 8. So 8 octet configuration for this oxygen also over. Now see the last step, duplet for hydrogen. Duplet means double. So 2. So 2 only one bond. So it means 2. So hydrogen also duplet configuration is completed. Exceptional case, expanded, deficient, odd electrons. These all exceptional case. But nitrogen here it does not involve in any exceptional case because odd electron also. This valence electron is not odd. So let us check that total valence electron is present or not in this compound. So total 24 valence electrons is nature. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 valence electrons are present. So this Lewis structure for HNO3 is absolutely right. So let us see that mnemonics. Once again, a skeletal in the biology lab center count single, double, triple, octet, duplet, except expanded, deficient, odd guys in the classroom. Students, you remember this mnemonic. You can solve any kind of Lewis structure very easily. Thanks for watching.